Hello, my wonderful viewers. How are you doing? Hope you're doing great. I welcome you again to our current mathematics online lesson on this channel, which is GC Studies. This is a channel where I teach English language, mathematics, and also Igbo language. In today's video, I'm going to teach you a very fascinating topic. And which topic is that? Factors of numbers. Factors of numbers. I'm sure you understand numbers, okay? Starting from 0 or from 1 to 1 million and above. When we talk about factors of numbers, we're talking about those sets of numbers that make up a particular number. How do I mean? Before I say that some numbers are factors of a particular number, it means that if I multiply those numbers with other numbers within the same set of numbers, I should be able to get the number in question as their product. Not only that, if I say that some numbers are factors of a particular number, it means by the time I divide that number in question with those factors, I shouldn't have any remainder. Okay? Now let's look at the board. The question here is this. What are the factors of 36? What are the factors of 36? Now look at the numbers that I've written down on the board. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36. Now, how can I prove? How can I prove that these factors are really factors of 36? Very simple. Okay, now look at the board again. If I multiply 1 by 36, I'm going to get 36 as a product. 2 by 18, 2 times 18 is 36. 3 times 12 is 36. 4 times 9 is also 36. And 36 times 1 is 36. Don't forget that these numbers that I've used to multiply these other ones, they are all among the set of numbers regarded as the factors of numbers. All of them put together are here. And then, that is not all. How else can I show that 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36 are factors of 36? How else can I prove? It's very simple. That is by using what? A division method. The first method I use is known as what? A multiplication method. And then the second method is what? A division method. Don't forget that division is like sharing, okay? If I tell you, divide 6 by 3, I'm simply telling you to divide 6 oranges among 3 people. Okay, it's similar to that. So, if I say that these numbers are factors of 36, I should be able to divide 36 by the same numbers, and I shouldn't have any remainder. Okay, now let's look at the board. 36 divided by 2 is what? 18. 36 divided by 3 is what? 12. And then 36 divided by 4 is what? 9. And then finally, 36 divided by 18 is what? 12. We're going to illustrate more on this. Okay, I want to draw some images or diagrams that look like people. Okay, now let's confirm this. We're going to draw 4 people here, and then we're going to share what? 36 oranges for them and see if we can get this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, and 36. Now we're going to count the shares for each of them and to see if each of them actually got what? 9 as their shares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Have you seen that? So I've just proved to you that 4 is a product of 36 and 9 is also a factor of 36. So this is where we're going to stop for today. Don't forget what we've learned for today. That is what? Factors of numbers. I want you to consistently follow me on this channel, okay? Subscribe and share the videos, okay? And you'll be happy you did. My name is Glory Lolo. God